What happens if you mark your iPhone as lost? So if you wish to mark your iPhone as lost via the Find My app, right? So from the Find My app, let's say you went ahead and then marked your iPhone as lost by tapping this lost mode option right here. Now what happens is lock. First of all, it will lock. So as soon as the device is online, lost mode will lock down certain features. Second, it will protect. So all the payment cards and other services will be suspended as a safety precaution. And third is to show a contact info. It will leave a number to be displayed for the person who finds his iPhone so that they can call. So this will remotely lock the device with your passcode, suspends Apple Pay, and lets you display a custom message or phone number on the lock screen to help with its return. It also stops notifications, sounds, and if enabled, requires Face ID or Touch ID only to unlock or the Apple ID. Hope this video helped you out in answering the question. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.